Hello, my loves. It's me. I'm back. Yay! I'm so sorry for not being around. Obviously, those who have followed my community posts will know, unfortunately, our family was hit really hard with COVID. We lost my mother-in-law. I was poorly. My husband was poorly. The kids were poorly. And I received this care package. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. All the days roll into one when you're not working. And I didn't open it. I kept it. And then today, when I was feeling a bit better, I decided to sit and film. And this is my first bit of filming since I got poorly. So, yeah, it was this beautiful, beautiful care package, like a hamper, all kind of dressed up, look. And then on the box, just as you open it, it said Lorna and Sean XOXO, which is really cute. And I cried. I did cry, and there's parts of this video where I cried as well. And I've actually kept in my reactions just so you could hear me, because a lot of the time there was people coming and going. But we have had some nice things happen. We have our new kitten, Misha, a nice bit of new life to the household, you know, something lovely. I hope you're all staying safe. Please, please, please stay safe. I can't stress this enough. Like, it's different seeing it on the news to seeing it with your own relatives, and it's horrific. So please look after yourselves and take care. Right, on to the shiny stuff, because that's what you're here for. So I opened all these individually, done it all in real time. All I've done is skip some of the bits where I'm playing with packaging. I've got the Glitter Planet gels. These are Nail Mate. This is the base coat. You can hear my clock ticking. I've also got the top coat here. I'm using my Nail Mate scissors actually, my Glitter Planet scissors. So those of you that don't know, Nail Mate is part of Glitter Planet. It's all under one big umbrella, and they provide a whole plethora of products, from gel polishes to acrylics, glitters, tools, lamps, everything. This is Thunder. And we have Peppermint. Beautiful. We also have Peach Perfect. Why would I want to say Perfect Peach? That's funny, isn't it? Oh, Strawberry Glow. I love this one. We have Vixen. She's feisty. We have Dusty Pink. Excuse my thumb, by the way. It's pigment on my thumb, not dirt. We have Thistle. And we have Champagne. And then, is this the last one? I can't remember. Classic Blue. Very beautiful. I think that was the last one from the gel polishes. They will be swatched in a separate video. And then there was this little mould. I was like, what is this? And I was having a look at it, and then I realised it's like a gummy bear mould, so you could make the little gummy bears. So if you want a video like where I do some like sweetie inspired nails, let me know in the comments. Put like a sweetie emoji in the comments if you want some gummy bear nails. And we've got a crystal pickup tool. It's fancy. Look how fancy it is. Just open the case like that. Cool. I like. I couldn't believe all this. It was like Mary Poppins' handbag, when there's just more things, and you're like, oh my God, this is too much. I just can't believe this. There was foils in there, which is good because I was running low on foils. These are all things I needed to stock up on, like things that I needed to get, but I hadn't got them. My head had been like all mushy. Now these acrylics I will also swatch in a separate video, because where my lights were so bright, I had them up quite bright today. This is Utopia. These are all glitter infused acrylics, but some of it was glaring back a little bit, so you can't see it very well. See what I mean? So what I'll do is do a separate swatch video for you on those as well, and you can have a really good look at them properly. I've got Dark Horse. These are stunning. You can see this one a little bit, look. See it sparkling. Very pretty. I've also got, what's next? Fiery Heart. Ooh, look at that. So sparkly. And honestly, it's just never ending. Passion Purple. Which you can sort of see. Again, it's the white acrylic bouncing off. Well, it's the clear acrylic that comes up as white in the pot bouncing off the light, but you'll see it better in the swatch videos. And Petal. Very pretty. Near my clock. Petal's got a bit more colour in it, so you can see the coloured glitter there. It's got a bit more different glitter colours bouncing back. Now we'll cut to me in my real time. Oh, okay. Oh, look at the dotting tools. Oh my God, they're so cute. They've got like, oh, these are so cute. So let me let you into a little secret. I have had the same dotting tools for 7 years and I'm down to my last 2 out of the whole set. And I kept saying I'll get myself some new ones. And these are just so cute. They look like they've got little bits of candy inside. Back to me. They're amazing.
They're awesome.
They are so, so cute, right? What the heck is in here? This is just... This is too much. It's too much, isn't it? All this generosity. I don't understand.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness me, I can't. My eyes are leaking. Oh, I must have dropped a sticker. I'll figure out what it's called. This is, there's more. And then I think that's it. Let me just check. Yes, that's it. How beautiful is that? It's like the ultimate Christmas hamper.
Oh yeah.
What the heck? Oh yes! I was looking at these the other day. So that was me, yeah, basically I was crying. And then what I decided to do after crying was wipe my face, and I had glitter all over my face. Look at these stunning stickers though. I was actually on the website looking at these the other day. It's like Lorna read my mind. My mother-in-law absolutely loved butterflies and dragonflies, and I was planning on doing some butterfly nails for her funeral. So these will definitely come in handy. And these are all the goodies I was sent. Again, I've had plenty of tears over this, the generosity and kindness. And it's not just that. Lorna's been there and offered an ear to talk to, and so have a lot of other people. And I'm so, so grateful. It's an amazing community we have, and I love you all so much. And yeah, let's just get back to work, yeah? I can't thank you all enough for sticking by me and waiting patiently. And sending me those little messages and just reaching out. I really, really do appreciate it. So until my next video, which will be swatching, of course, tally bye!
Making our Christmas memories.